All right, we're back on, this is a video 3 or 4, and I spotted the other leaks I mentioned in the video. I used the ultrasonic leak detector to find the leaks. He took care of the backwards receiver dryer. But now I read the instructions to you on the oil balance from the compressor that were not followed, and I explained that. That's in the other video. Go search that and find that one. He did not follow the procedure that says turn the compressor on its nose on the front clutch, turn it downwards, let it sit for a few minutes, and you should spin it too. And I like it says 2 or 3 minutes. I like 15 minutes, maybe even more. If you get it the night before, leave it overnight and spin it. And it specifically says in bold black letters, if you don't do that, it might leak at the shaft seal. Well, I already went over this with the ultrasonic leak detector. I could not find no leaks anywhere. And I'm going, it's not holding vacuum again. I just turned it off, it's down to 27. When I disturb the vacuum, when I touch the clutch here, it lost, the vacuum jumped down. So this brand new compressor has a leak at the shaft seal. He did not follow the procedures that were written down in black and white. They were never opened. It was never unfolded. Of course, it's a new generation. You don't need to read, everything. So I'm going to try to hit this with nitrogen and pressurize the back of the shaft seal and force it forward. Hopefully there's some oil residue on there. I could get in there with the pressurized and rotated, and then see if I can do a vacuum. Let's see, do I got the vacuum on? Oh yeah, it's now, there it goes. So you can see it going into the microns, and then I turn it, it won't go down 4,000, it gets stuck at 4,000. There we go, right up to 29.9. Now let's see if I move this. To do it now. Okay, last time it did it, I moved it and it just dropped. So I'm gonna go see if I could fix that with some nitrogen, and got the nitrogen right there. I'll be back. Let's see what happens.